INVENTO EL85 wireless mobile columns with a lifting capacity of up to 8.5 tons per column. They offer the option to operate the entire configured set, 2 columns on one axle or just a single column. They feature a slow lowering function, allowing for precise operation. Multiple language options available, including Polish. The high-resolution touchscreen ensures exceptionally clear and remarkably intuitive operation. Maneuvering the unit is both incredibly fast and straightforward, utilizing a specialized pallet mechanism system. Adjustable wheel support points. Handles for transport with a forklift.